Here we go. Alright, hold on. Daddy's got to get it. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on, stop.
Tucker,
Stop. Hold on.
Tucker, stop.
I can't grab it. Now, wait a minute, Tucker. We've worked the back propeller clean off. The motor ain't even there. Oh, it's fake. Is that a real motor on there?
Back was fake.
Because it's missing. Alright. Go ahead and hit it. Hit it fast. You ready? We're gonna aim for Daddy. Ouch! That thing hurts. I smacked you in the toe one time. Just keep it away from the TV, please.
Alright, Tucker.
Stop, Tucker,
Tucker,
stop.
Tucker,
Let go of the button.
Tucker! Hey! Let go!
No, you're good. I did that one.
Alright, go ahead, Tucker.
Go ahead, give me a go. Go, Tucker, go. Give a gas. Keep it going.
Alright, Tucker.
We gotta see if we can find the back of the motor first.
Alright, it's not swaying as much now.
I know, it's missing parts.
Watch it, bud. Watch it.
Keep on going. Floor it, Tucker, floor it. I'm gonna throw it at Daddy.
Alright,
Tell
Tucker.
Daddy to get it. Say get
Tucker.
it. No, keep on flooring it. You're doing good, Tucker. Floor it, Tucker. Go. Give it gas, Tucker. Go. What? There's a bulb and blow bulb. Gonna get you. It's kind of hard to keep control. All right.
Battery's almost dead.
Is it?
There you go.
Give it gas. Floor it. Yes, what it's got, Daddy.
You take these things outside and freaking they get up so high and then they don't fly.
I know. Well, that one's broke. That one's gone. Keep it going, Tucker. Get him. Get him. Give it gas. Floor it, Tucker. Go. Give it gas. Push the button.
I think it's dead.
No, he ain't pushing the button.
Yeah, yes, you got it up.
Alright. It's dead, Tucker. I think we killed it. And next we turn it off. There we go.